Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, it's about how to do your tax return for free. Normally, April 30th tax filing deadline. Because of this coronavirus, all the dates are changing. But this is the time of the year. I thought let me do the video. When you want to do or being home such a boring, trust me, you can do your taxes. The program is called Simple Tax. It is a free software. The whole process only takes 10 minutes. Before I move into the topic, if you guys have any professional question, honestly I'm telling you, it is the best way to see the accountant. But if you guys like me, you guys have same general tax you do every year, you can do your own taxes with me today. If you are a student or you are in university or college, you need T2402A, which is tuition, and also T4 from employment income. Once you have everything ready, you can start. Go to Google website and type it in Simple Tax. Right click over here, Simple Tax Free Canadian Tax Return Software. Start or continue your 2019 tax return. I already signed in, so I'm gonna use this one for someone else. So sign up to save your tax return. You have to enter your email address and confirm your email address. Once you're done that, continue. It's gonna ask you the password. After you've done your password, click and sign up. Enter your name over here. After you click and continue, getting started. So next and next, get started. After you done that, you will see this page. It is asking you about you, mailing address, your resident, after your family, and if you have CRA account, you can link, and your taxes review and summary. Then you are done, you can submit. So I'm going to walk through step by step. So let's do it together. It is really basic information. It is about your name and your last name and your social insurance number, date of birth, and whatever language you speak. Then after, mailing address. After you done your mailing address, it's about your resident. In which province did you live on December 31st, 2019, Ontario? I don't even move anywhere. My home address is same as my mailing address, yes. So which province do you currently live, Ontario? Did you become a resident of Canada for tax purpose in 2019? Of course no. You and your family. So the person I am doing this tax for, married. Do you want to prepare your tax together? No. Do you want your material to change in 2019? Is no. Do you have any dependent? No. After that, did you own a specific foreign property total cost of more than 100,000 in 2019? No. Principal resident in 2019? No. Are you filing income tax with the CRA the first time? It's no. If you guys are first time, you can click yes. Are you Canadian citizens? Is not. So these are no. If you are not sure, you can click here. It will show you more information. The good thing about this, you can search for whatever confusion you have and click the link, anything you don't know. Climate action and incentive, half and tax credit. Of course, no. Ontario Trillium Benefit. Will you apply for Ontario Trillium Benefit as yes? Next, CRA My Account. Are you registered for CRA My Account? Yes. If you are registered for CRA, put yes. It's totally optional. So your taxes, the good thing about this, you can search for whatever you wanted to find out. For example, I wanted to find out employment income T4. Boxes like this, find the number right here and put it over here. Employment income, just compare them, it's exactly like that. You can add multiple T4 or T5, add them T4 here, so you can add multiple T5 or T4. When I start put this number over here, my refund has changed. So if you notice on your left side, so I'm going to change 15,000. So I'm going to get a refund of 19,999. After you're done T4, most of us like me in school, so we just tuition and education amount, which is T2202 over here. If you are not sure how much amount, you can call the administration office or you can check it online using your account. In Ontario, they stop taking transit passes, so you can climb on the public transit. So if you are living in different provinces, you can still do it. See, pay $200 donation and gift. So donation and gift, charity, $200. I think that's about for her. If you guys have anything, you can click and choose. For example, if you are looking for medical expenses over here and also investment income, RRSP or rental income, so you can click and continue. I think that's about it. So check and optimize. If you see over here red color 1 and 2, your partner and climate action. So I still need to fix something. After I review this, so you can submit your tax return, or if you wanted to save your PDF, you can do that. So I'm going to submit the tax return. I have read and agree the net file and term and condition. Click yes and submit. It is optional. If you want to donate any money, like you can do that, but I do want to donate because this is a free software, so it's like $10. Why not? So I'm going to do that. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment, and if you find any software which is easy to do it, leave it in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe